Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem DoorDash gift card. So the very first thing you have to do is open your DoorDash, and there in the checkout section, when you go to this payment section, you will be able to add in the payments, right? But here in this below section, you will be able to find this option of add promo card. All you have to do is tap on that particular option. Now once you have done that, it will simply open up this kind of little notification which it lets you enter the promo code, enter on top, and then you will be able to tap on this apply. And then here in this section, you can see this have a gift card, and then you will be able to tap on this redeem now option just right given over here. Once you have tap on this redeem, you will be able to see this kind of interface. It lets you enter your gift card pin on top where you are going to tap on it, and now this redeem gift card option will simply light up. All you have to do is tap on it. It will simply get applied to your original amount before checking out, and you are going to check out. Then afterwards you will only have to pay the redeem amount afterwards and you will be done. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.